Hello there. My name is Scott Perry, and thank you for attending my online video training session. 今日はこれから正しい R と L の発音を教えてあげます。Now, before we begin, I'd like to introduce myself. If you don't know me, I'm a pronunciation teacher for over 25 years, and I've learned many techniques to help people improve their pronunciation. Regular people, business people, actors, singers, any person who needs pronunciation help. I've developed techniques that actually prove that you can improve your pronunciation at any time and at any age. So, the reason you can is because my techniques require you to physically change your body. We're not going to change your pronunciation. We're not going to change anything that you do. We're just going to teach you a new way of doing it, a new accent. So, let's begin. First, when you are making the R and L sound, you have to avoid 3 big mistakes. 1, do not curl your tongue. Curling your tongue is a method that kind of works, but it's a little bit not normal, not standard. Now, look at this. R, R. 見たことありますよね。教わったことありますでしょうね。That sounds like R, but it's not proper. Have you ever seen an American do that? R. No, we don't do that. Actually, we do something different. We pull our tongue straight back. まっすぐ引っ張って、で、それで終わりです。そう。ベロの奥の方が上がりますけど、先がこういうふうにしない。We don't do that. A little bit difficult to do, actually. So, I will show you a diagram of how your mouth should look. Okay. First of all, this is a picture of your tongue in the 自然な状態。上の 50%、下の 50% ありますよね。で、imagine 50 top, 50 bottom. And ベロの先がtouching your bottom front teeth. That is your starting position. それは最初の position ですね。And we will take our tongue